Boyu is officially gone, everyone. This is the Meebook, and I'm talking Meebook. They have now gravitated away from Boyu and gone over to Howking in its full capacity. They have released the Meebook P10 Pro Edition. This unit features 3 gigs of RAM, SD card on board, long standby life as advertised, and Android 11. And as you know, Meebook is one of the only manufacturers that actually has Google Play right out of the box. Now, before I open this, I'm just going to tell you guys right now, I'm dying to see what kind of pen they're using. I do not know, and it is wrapped in plastic. Let's check it out. So the box is themed with purple, and I kind of like that. It's very nice and regal, and you know what? Not a lot of manufacturers utilize purple as their signature color. We've seen orange many times, we've seen light blue with Amazon, we've seen greens, but not actually a whole lot employing purple. Is there anything on the inside of the sleeve? No, there is not. You do get this very nice sleeve, and I must say the art and everything in the layout is just done so beautifully. So I am so excited about the pen. I don't even care about the device. I want to see the pen. I'm half kidding. So you get a foam insert, and you know what? This is the first device that's ever had a foam insert that is cut with rounded corners and not just kind of stuffed in there in the box. It's the little details like that that all does matter. They really do. They are using a wax paper on this, which is strange because the M6, the smaller one, the P6 replacement, is not using wax paper. That is beautiful. I love that. So let's tilt this out without turning it on and put that off to the side. Is the device purple too? Don't get ahead of ourselves, everyone. What kind of pen are they using, everyone? That's all I want to see. You do have an SD card on this. So Google Play with SD card is something you don't see every day, really. A lot of devices have completely gone away with SD or Trans Flash TF cards. Let's see what they're using. There's no pen. Oh. Is this not a note-taking device, or do I have to use one of those Meebook active capacitive pens? This did not come in the box, but I think we might have to use one of these. Now, if this is employing the old Boyu P10W technology, then that'll mean this would have the capacity to use Wacom as well. So let's check it out. That's not what the W means. It means Wacom, not well. I overemphasize that. Here it is, everyone. Look at that purple. Now, you know what? It doesn't actually match that purple. That's bothering me. It's not a big thing, but you will see that this is far more red, and that is more of the blue color wheel. It's totally fine. I'll get over it. But yeah, they have redone their units, everyone. Now they have a back plate that is plastic, but they also have this additional little trim. That's very nice. It makes it really nice to hold. It feels completely built differently. Wow. You know, these little things do matter when it comes to the build of the design and everything. And you know what? You see that purple curling over the side. I absolutely love it. You have the speaker down below. Is there a speaker up top? There is not. It looks like a mono speaker unless they shoved in 2 speakers inside the little speaker pack here, which would be silly. They also give you some Torx screws to open up and service your device. Obviously, it's not for everyone to do. If you can't cook an omelet, don't cook an omelet. But if you can repair screens, absolutely do it. You get USB-C and the SD card on the side there. We're just going to do a first time boot up because I gotta see if a pen works. That's really, to be completely honest, the only reason you would want this is for note taking. Large screen e-readers outside of the Pocketbook InkPad X don't really exist. If this is a large screen e-reader, that would mean they're the only other one, sure, but they gotta have note-taking. Alright everyone, here we go. I have not tested it yet. This is the Meebook pen that we just pulled off the shelf. It did not come with the actual unit. Let's see what happens. So I believe we have to turn these on, yes. It does work with the Meebook pen. Okay, it does have note-taking. Now, the second thing I'm super curious about is the Rakuten Kobo pen 1st gen. Does it work on here? It does not. Do I have to trigger this or turn this on? And this does have the quadruple A battery and most closely resembles that pen. It doesn't seem to do anything. Now, the 2nd gen pen with the Huawei-esque tip. This is the Rakuten Kobo Ellipsa 2. Does that work? It does not at all, even the eraser, and it is charged. For good measure, everyone, please let Wacom work. it doesn't. Wacom doesn't work on this, but that's okay. We know it does have note-taking because if you look at here, one of the 3 things that it offers you, reading, applications, and notepad, you do need a pen to go along with it. Whether it comes in the box or not will be all revealed to you guys during the review. I like nothing about the active capacitive pens. They're the worst style of pens. They feel terrible. They're big, they're heavy, they're lopsided because of the battery. They're not fun to use. I hope we get a W variant somewhere down the road, much like we did with Boyu. We all saw it before. So for now, everyone, this is the Meebook P10 Pro Edition. This is the latest and greatest possible device from Meebook / Howking. They've done away with Boyu. They're moving full forward, completely autonomously within their own production. Everyone, stay tuned for the full review and have a great day.